Welcome back everyone to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a healthy drink. I'm going to use the pineapple. Here I have some meringue, lemon, cucumber, very healthy fat burning juice. So over here what I'm going to do, I'm going to boil the pineapple skin. So I'm just taking the skin off, boil it, and then I'm going to use the liquid after it's reduced. You're going to love this. Your body will love it also. So I'm going to bring it to a boil. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and it's your first time, if this video is of any help to you, give it a thumbs up. Please like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notification that you know when I'm uploading new videos. All of this you just put it in. So this is almost finished. At this point I'm going to add some cinnamon in it. And I'm going to put some chili powder. So I'm going to turn the gas off. Now I'm going to strain this off. So I'm going to let this cool down a bit. Okay, now I'm going to cut these up. This, chop everything up, put it in, pineapple in, now I'm gonna add one of the world's most powerful herb, meringue. Please do your research on this. This don't play any games, proper stuff. This helps speed up your metabolism, full of antioxidant, and cleanses the body. This is even good for diabetes, arthritis. This meringue, very healthy. Then I'm gonna pour the liquid over this. Then I'm going to give it a blend, give you a peek over here. Now I'm going to blend them. Now the juice is ready. Time to pour it out. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, cheers to you all. Lovely, refreshing. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave positive comments. Cheers to you all. Thank you.